Mechanics always complain that ratchet wrenches break easily. Let's then do a big test and check out the durability limit of this Deli ratchet wrench. We use a torque tester to apply 110 Nm torque to this ratchet wrench. When the torque is converted to the handle of this 23 cm ratchet, it is equivalent to rotating the handle with a force of 180 kilograms. Let's see if this wrench can withstand such a tough test. 3,000 times, 6,000, 9,000, 10,000. The final 410 Nm durability life reached 1,940 times. This performance surpasses 99% of the same size ratchet on the market. This isn't enough. Let's add some more and go even harder. 800 Nm maximum torque test. Next, apply 800 Nm of torque. Let's see if this ratchet can hold up. 200, 400, 600, 700. The wrench finally broke at 720 Nm. This performance once again outperforms 99% of ratchet wrenches of the same size in the industry. The dual performance of durability and strength is the key to Deli ratchets leading the industry. Waiting for you to take on the challenge.